Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn that how to install Java in our computer system. At the previous lesson, we learned that what's Java and why use Java. As we told that Java is used for creating computer application, desktop application, mobile applications, system softwares, web-based application, and we can use Java for cross-platform applications creation. So, and now, what should we install in our computers for writing the Java codes? When we want to write the codes of any language, we need a text editor. A text editor. Because of that, we are writing the high level language codes in a text editor. After that, as we told, the high level language or those language which is not directly understandable by the computer system. If we write the codes in our in Java language, that will be not directly understandable to computer, and computer can perform functions according to our instruction. So what should we do? The second thing we have to install, that is compiler uh, or interpreter. Compiler or interpreter. We told compiler or interpreter is the software which translates the high-level language codes into machine language. So the second thing we have to install, that's compiler or interpreter. And what's the third thing? Now, today in today's world, the programming is very easy because there are many built-in libraries and functions, built-in functions in a programming language that we can use. For example, if we want to find the square root of a number, then we don't need to perform much more line of codes. There is a built-in function by the name of sqrt we are using for finding the square roots. So we have to install these libraries and built-in functions. So installing of each of them separating, that is much more difficult. So we can use instead of all of them, we can use a software which is called IDE. IDE mean integrated development environment. IDE or integrated development environment is a software which we write the codes of any language. It contain all these things within itself. So we have to install an IDE. For example, if you want to write codes in C++ language, so we can use div IDE, Borland, Turbo, code block, Visual Studio, and so on. We can use these ID for which language? For C++ language. But if you want to work in Java, we can use Java Creator, Eclipse, NetBeans, and so on. We have different IDs for Java programming. We are working in Java language, so we have to install one of these IDEs in our computer: Java Creator, Eclipse, NetBeans, or any other IDE which is used for Java language. So the two things: for one is IDE we have to install, and we will use for our next lessons. That IDE will it's named NetBeans ID. And the first thing, we have to install JDK, Java Development Kit. Before installing the IDE, we have to install JDK or Java Development Kit in our computer system. So let's see how to install. I have already downloaded the software in my computer. Now see how to install JDK in our computer system. Download the JDK and then double click on it. After double clicking, the setup will start automatically. Then it's installing. So during the installation processing, I want to tell you something. First, I apologize and I'm really sorry for that. I can't speak English very well. But inshallah, I will learn you that how to program. Sorry, then click on next. Again, I accept the terms and license agreement. Next, and install. Now the GDK is installing in our computer system. So what I was telling, I was telling about my teaching methodology. I have more than 10 years teaching experience in computer subject in computer science subjects. My native tongue is Pashto, and I can speak English very well. But as I told, I have more experience in teaching, so I will convey and deliver my concepts in a very good way to you. Just try to watch videos up to end, and inshallah, daily I am creating the videos for you guys. So you will learn that how to create programs in Java, how to create application using Java. Just in 2 months, inshallah, you will be a good Java programmer, and you will be to create. Sorry, I have to attend the call. So we have installed JDK in our computer system. After installing the JDK, so you have to install the NetBeans software in your computer. NetBeans is an IDE which is used for writing the Java coding. In here, we can create the desktop application also, and also we can create. Then I accept the lessons from. Then again next. Again next, and then install. Now it's installing. After installation of NetBeans, we will be able to create console application and also desktop and GUI applications. Console applications are those applications where there is no graphics in our applications. For example, CMD or Linux command line interface, CLI interface. And there are much more applications they are working on CLI based. CLI based means command line interface. For example, now I am opening the CMD or command prompt for you. Now the CMD, this is an application, but it's not a GUI application, graphical user interface application. It don't has any button, text box, or any else option. But if we want, we can work through what? For example, I want to create a folder in here, so I have to write a command cd desktop. I'm opening the desktop folder. After that, I'm creating a folder in here, mkdir. Mkdir, make a folder, make a directory for us by the name of Abdullah. Now you can see there is a directory created by the name of Abdullah. So this is an application. By using CMD application, I have created this directory. Now I can create also graphically, right? I'm right clicking in here, then new, and can create a folder. So this is Windows is on a GUI interface, but CMD has CLI interface. By using NetBeans, we can create also both type of applications, CLI or command line interface application, and also GUI interfaces. So thank you for watching. Now the NetBeans installation process is going on. After completing this installation, we will return back, inshallah, and we will start working practically that have to write codes and Java. Uh, and once again, I'm really sorry that I can't speak English, but I hope you guys will understand that what I'm saying and how we are writing the codes in here. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Daily I will create videos on programming, database, networking, Microsoft Office, on every field of computer. Inshallah, we will work. So thank you for watching. Have a good time.